Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel domain on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Canceling a domain on Squarespace can be done through the domain's settings, whether you want to remove the domain entirely, stop it from renewing, or transfer it to another provider. Alright, so I want you to exit this interface from the website builder, and I want you to click on the profile icon on the bottom left corner, because that would lead you to your account dashboard. And as you can see, when you click on the upper right, you have all of these options. Normally, if you are subscribed to a specific domain, you would see the domain here. All right. Or if you don't have that option, go to domains, but you would see your domain listed here. As of now, I have not connected or got a domain or transferred a domain to my account here. If you wanted to get a domain, you might want to click on that. For example, you're gonna get a domain and you wanted to cancel that. All right, right here, start your search here, click that and find your domain. Start your search here. I'm gonna type in dplafs. Now when you do that, for example, you wanted this dplafs.com. That's gonna be $14 per year. Go into click on add to cart and check out. All right, and of course, for example, you have already paid this domain and you lock the current price for the number of years, say for example 1 year. All right, all you have to do now again is hover back to the domain section earlier, which is gonna be this one. All right, you would see your domain section here, and all you have to do is click on cancel. All right, now another option that you could explore is go to the dashboard. For example, this is going to be the domain that you wanted to cancel. Hover to the three sections or three dots icon, click on billing, and of course, if you have subscribed to a domain provided by Squarespace, you might want to click on the subscription. All right, so I don't have, obviously, right? But if you do have, you would definitely see it here. And for example, your subscription ends on October 9th. All right, you might want to click on the arrow there, and of course click the cancel membership or the cancel domain. All right, similarly you can do that as well. Or if you wanted to upgrade your subscription to another one, you might want to click on the subscribe. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.